Can you guys introduce yourself? Tell us a little bit about the company. What do you guys offer? How long have you guys been in business?
I'm Johnny. This is Jenny Parker. We work at Boogies Water Sports. We've been in business since the mid-90s.
Have you guys expanded since opening?
We have. We've grown from like 4 wave runners to over 100 wave runners, 40 pontoon boats, 4 parasail boats. Keep expanding.
Do you want to tell us a little bit how your experience is with Indexic? How was training for the staff?
It has been great. Whenever we have an issue or a problem, we can call and we get answers right away. Brooklyn can come on spot whenever we need her. It's nice to have someone local. So if we need help training new staff members, she'll come and do that for us.
What positive impacts have you guys seen on your business since offering online reservations?
A lot of people are going to the online reservations now, and it's nice for them to do the waivers online. It has saved a lot of money on paper and time. The time consuming not having to do the paper waivers has been awesome.
What features of aReservation do you guys use the most?
I think we use all of them. Definitely the waivers. We use the text message a lot. And just the reservation part of them. Another nice feature is the coupon code.
Last but not least, would you recommend Indexic's aReservation to another company?
Yes, definitely. Yes,
For sure.
They are like family to us. We've never even considered leaving them. But yes, we would definitely recommend them to other people.
Thank you.
Thank you for your time.